Want to try creating AI images with ChatGPT, but not sure where to start? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to generate images with ChatGPT. Now let's get started. There are two ways to make images with ChatGPT. You can generate a new image from scratch, or edit an existing image. If you want to edit an image, tap the plus sign on the left. You can then upload an image from your device to use as a reference, or snap a photo of something in the moment by tapping the camera icon. Once you've attached your reference photo, you'll need to write a prompt for the edits you want the AI to make. If you'd like to generate a new image, just type in what you want it to look like. Whether you're editing a photo or starting from scratch, be as descriptive as possible in your prompt, mentioning all the elements you want included, like the subject of the image, the details, style, and mood. For example, let's say you wanted to create an image of a bedroom with white walls and modern furniture in a realistic style with a warm and cozy vibe. If you're editing an image, you could ask for certain aspects of the image to be changed, like please change the wall color to a soft beige while keeping the furniture the same. Be as specific as possible about the aspects of your image that matter most to you. Use aesthetic references and inspirations to give the AI an idea of what style you're going for. You can also specify things you don't want in your image or styles you want to avoid. Once you send your prompt, ChatGPT will start working on creating your image. This can take some time depending on how busy their servers are at the moment, as well as how complex your request was. When your image is done, it'll load into your chat. You can tap the image to view it in full screen mode. Here you'll see options to save the image to your camera roll and share it in a message, email, or social app. You can also make edits here using the Select tool to indicate the specific area of your image you want to make a change to. Use this tool to circle or highlight the area you want to change, then tap Next. Then describe the changes you want to make to that part of your image. If you want to make multiple changes to an image, it's helpful to separate them into a numbered list to make your requests clear. Once you've generated one image, you can use it as a reference for future requests in your conversation. This makes it easy to continue your project and keep the style of your images consistent. That's all it takes to generate images using ChatGPT. To learn more about ChatGPT, check out our beginner's guide next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.